Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. Happy June, which means I have my May favorites. So that is what we're going to be talking about this week. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2ish. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. All right, girl, listen, I'm not going to lie. Some of them were last month's favorite, but I can't help it. I cannot help it. Let's just dive right in. Yeah. This is the e.l.f. Sun Touchable Wow Glow SPF 30. It is what I have on my face. It is so freaking beautiful. It is so pretty. I am enjoying this so much. I did, I think, a dupes a couple of videos back. Girl, this is... And I'm not like a dupey kind of girl, but this is totally a dupe for the Super Goop. Look how beautiful that is. When I did the comparison, like I have like a really dark shade of the Super Goop. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. But it does the same. It's beautiful. It is so gorgeous. You want to just go out real quick, or you just don't want to wear any makeup, throw this sunblock on. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. It leaves your face. Look at that. I'm looking at my forehead. It looks so gorgeous. Yes, I spoke about it last month. I spoke about it this month, and I can guarantee you I'm going to keep on speaking about it all summer long. It's so good. It is so good. Next, girl. This is not new, girl, but the shade is new. This is the Rare Beauty Bronzing Stick, and this one is in Bright Side. It is a true, in my opinion, a true contour. It is so beautiful. Let me just watch this little lover here. Look at that color. I think she came out, with 2 new colors. I have the Happy Soul that I love, which then when she had those 3 colors, was it 3, maybe 4? I don't know. That was the coolest. But girl, this is, look at that. It is so beautiful. I'm in love with this color. Again, it is what I have on. I think most of everything that we're talking about I do have on. It's so beautiful. First of all, girl, this formula is so... Listen, don't get high, girl, and use this formula, because you'll be like, wait a minute, wasn't that a cream and now it turns into a powder? I'm just saying, it is so tricky trick. Let me just show it to you in real time, girl. That's creamy. That's powder. Huh? It is so friggin' interesting, this formula. And it's beautiful. Look how that blends out. Look at that. Rare Beauty. I mean, this is gorgeous. This is so beautiful. I have been loving it immensely this month. Listen, I gotta stop watching Tati. I have to stop watching her, girl, because she makes me... Girl, I'm on a low buy. Tati, you know that. No, she doesn't. She doesn't even know me, girl. Girl, I'm on a low buy. Why? Why do you make me do things? These are the GXVE, the Gwen Stefani line. The eyeliners, girl. It's Line It Up eyeliners. One is in Hopscotch, and the other one is Green Pastures. I have the Hopscotch above, and I have the Green Pasture below. Girl, let me swatch them for you. I have 50 million things on my hand. I love shimmer under my eye. I love shimmer, period. Here is the Hopscotch. Look how beautiful. It's got that little itty bitty bronzy kind of shimmer. Girl, on the Green Pasture, well, you can only imagine, but let me show it to you. You don't have to imagine. I will show it. Wow, girl, it is, look at that. Ooh, that is so, look at that. That is so beautiful. I have been absolutely loving them. Hold on. Yep, that is so nice. Beautiful. They don't budge. They don't budge. These are waterproof, are they not? Yes, 24-hour gel pencil eyeliners. Like, we're going to talk right now. We're talking, right? I'm not cutting anything. I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds. They're not going to move. And they won't move for days. Girl, I shower. I'm showering. They don't. I have to scrub the tub. Rosie's in the tub. They don't friggin' budge. So amazing. I have been loving these so much. This beautiful color pop, these are the pressed powder blushes. This is in Papaya. Again, girl, I'm watching Kelly Strack. Stop it. Stop it, girl. Beautiful. It is what I have on my face today. I just want to show it to you. It is so pigmented, but girl, I don't care. I'm right here, girl. 1, 2. Do you see that? 1, 2. I'm going to tap it, and I'm going to show it to you. Yeah. Look how beautiful this color is. Now, I think the hot color was flamingo or something, but they didn't have it. But Kelly specifically spoke about this papaya, girl, and I look at that. This is a perfect blush and color, in my opinion, for the summertime. Look how beautiful that is. I hope you could appreciate it, because I don't think so, because in my mirror over here, it is so friggin' bright. I'll see if I could take a picture and post it, like over here somewhere. Yeah, it is so beautiful. I love them. Now, just to add on to blushes, again, girl, I know these were last month. I can't stop using these. These, right over here, let me just pull back. Can you see them? I'm going to tell you, these are the Jane Iredell's. These are the pressed powder blushes. I have one in Barely Rose and one in Awake. Something about them. And again, girl, they look identical. They look identical. So here you go, right over. Whoops, shoot. I just dug my nail into it. Darn it. So here they are right over here. Let me see if I can pull back. This one over here is Barely Rose. This one over here is Awake. Girl, they're almost identical. They are so soft, like nothing compared to like this Papao. Let me see if I'll just swirl it, girl. They're just so soft. Okay, girl, don't judge. They look identical. Yeah, they do. I'm gonna put them over here. Let's see. My hands are dry. Don't judge. Can you see that? I mean, obviously I put a lot on there, but frick it, let's just do it. We're gonna put some more on. It's just something about them. Let's put it like over here. We'll put on the outskirts. Just something about that. Look, it's just such a soft application and formula. They almost remind me of the Gucci blushes. Just something about them are so like, I want to say powdery, but I know that it's not going to come out that way, because you're going to be like, girl, who wants powder? I guess like maybe that airbrushed kind of formula. Look how pretty. I hope you could see like this right over here. It's just so beautiful. They are so soft. They're very airbrushy. That's a good word. They look like it's been airbrushed on your face. They're beautiful. Yes, I already spoke about them, and I'm going to keep on doing it. They're so freaking good. Now, again with my dupe. I did a dupe last week, and this was the star of the show. This is what made me think, this reminds me so much of the Urban Decay Stay All Nighter, whatever the hell it's called, All Nighter, and this is Stay All Day. That's what made me think about, let me just rummage through my stuff and see what I have. This is so friggin' good. This is the e.l.f. Stay All Day Blue Light Micro Setting Mist Long Lasting Wear. Girl, I put this on when I first tried it. Let me just try it, girl, because I'm a sucker. It's that friggin' noise. Like, how dumb are you, girl? But, whatever. I like these things. Let me just try it. What's the big deal? It's not really that expensive. It's up, girl. It was sweltering hot. I was moving and grooving that day. I mean, sweating. And then we went for a walk. I'm thinking, when I get home, girl, nothing budged. Yes, I was glistening because I was sweating. Nothing dripped. I didn't have any makeup smearing. I couldn't believe it. I could not believe how fantastic this is. I love this product. And of course, it's way cheaper. Just telling you. Just throwing it out there. The other day, I did a shop my stash, girl, and I'm shopping around, and these are not new. I came across this combination, this lip combination, girl, and I know I just did it like maybe 2 weeks ago. Maybe, girl, I cannot stop using this friggin' combination. It is the BK Beauty Everlast Lip Liner in Sweet Pea. I'm gonna put it right over here. It is beautiful. That's the Sweet Pea. So nice. Girl, and this 1912. This is the L'Oreal Color Rich Lipstick in 800 Fairest Nude. I got it at my local grocery store. Or maybe Amazon. I don't even remember. Maybe both. I can't. Look how perfect. Is that so friggin' beautiful? This to me is perfection of pink. Look at that lip smacking, and it is so friggin' shiny. Of course, I have it all on today. It's so beautiful. I can't stop wearing it. I can't stop wearing it. I don't know when this video is gonna go up, but Sunday I have a bridal shower. Girl, I'm gonna wear it. It is so friggin' beautiful. And then last but not least, girl, this beautiful. I have been on a kick. Let's just start. Let me. I have been on such a kick of lip oils. This is beautiful. This is the Merit tinted lip oil in Ledoux, Lesdeux, Ledoux. I had to pick up this color. There are a couple other colors. Wow, this is beautiful. It smells like nothing. I don't want to. I'm going to put it on, but I don't want to put it on my lips. So I'm going to just put a little bit right over here. Not that you need anything. I just want to show you, girl, because look how rich and creamy and shiny that lipstick is, girl. Oh, we're going to add a little bit more. Oh. That lip oil is fantabulous. Look how beautiful. Ooh, look how gorgeous. Doesn't this look so good? I'm almost positive. Yeah, everything that we're talking about, I do have it on my face. Isn't it beautiful? It's so, so beautiful. By the way, I do have an affiliate link down below with Merit. You know, if you guys want to use it to help my channel, that's great. If you don't, that's great too. It doesn't matter. I love this Merit oil. It is so good. I love all Merit products, but check out their oils. They're fantastic. P.S. Like I promised, here we are. Yeah, I'm going to rub. Rub it up. You see that? I am rubbing. Yeah, they're not budging. They're not budging. They're so friggin' great and shimmery to top it off. Girl, you got my heart. You have my heart. So anyway, guys, short and sweet, I think I got everything. Yeah, so that's it, short and sweet. These are my favorites for the month of May. Girl, I'm on a low buy. I'm on a low buy, even though I'm grabbing here and there just a little bit, but I am on a low buy because I want to buy everything, but I'm not gonna. But these have been my monthly favorites. Leave me some comments down below. What have been your favorites? And yes, am I missing something? Am I missing something that I need? I don't need anything. Let me know. Anyway, so that is it, guys. This is my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so, so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.